Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Twisted Bobette from Dandy's World. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off by drawing the shape of the head. Let's start on the top left and let's draw a curve down and bring it up on the right, making the right side a little bit lower. Now on the left, let's draw a zigzag line down and in. And then a long angle down to the right. And then let's bring it over and up with another zigzag line. Now for the top part of the head, let's draw a curve across like this. Then on top, we're going to draw the star by drawing two curves up. And then a longer curve across the top. Now on each side, let's draw a curve up and out. And two more curves meeting at a point to finish off the star. Now behind the star, let's draw the back of the head. Let's start on the top left and let's draw a zigzag line across. Continue it on the other side. Then let's bring it down with an angle. And one more point up and down. And that's it for the shape of the head. Now let's hop in and draw the face. Let's hop inside and let's draw a large oval on the left side. And then let's add a circle inside. And then another circle inside this one. And let's color the ring in black. Now let's hop out and let's draw two curves on the top corner and two more underneath for the eyelashes. And then lastly, let's draw one more curve underneath on the inside. And that's it for the eye. Now let's hop underneath and let's draw a curve in the center for the mouth. And now on the bottom left, let's draw a small circle. And then a wavy line across the bottom here. And let's color these both in black. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop underneath and let's draw the collar. On each side, let's draw a curve down. And then a curve across the bottom. Now let's add some spikes. Let's start on each side at the top here, and let's draw a point out and back in. And color these both in black. Now inside the collar at the bottom, let's draw a curve in the center. And then a point down past the collar like this. And then color it in black. Now let's add one more on each of the bottom corners. Inside, let's draw a curve on an angle on each side. And then a point down and out underneath. And let's color these both in black. Lastly, on top of each of these spikes, let's draw a wavy line around. And color these in black as well. And that's it for the color. Now let's hop underneath and continue the body. On each side, let's draw a curve down and in at the bottom. And a curve across to close it off. Now inside on the right, let's draw a wavy line down to form a blob shape. And color it in black. Now from the bottom corners, let's draw another curve down and in. And connect it with a bumpy line across the bottom. Now let's hop underneath and let's draw the legs. Let's draw 2 lines down on the left and 2 on the right side. Now in between, let's draw a point up in the center and one more point out on each side. Then underneath, let's angle it out. And a curve to close off each foot. And let's color both of the shoes in black. And that's it for the legs. Lastly, let's hop out and let's draw the arms. Let's hop back up underneath the collar and let's draw an angle down on each side. And then curve it back in underneath. Now from the outside, let's draw a small bump down. Then underneath, let's draw a point up and in. And another one back into the body. Now underneath, let's draw 2 curves down on each side. Now from the inside, let's draw a small curve underneath. And then let's curve it in and back up for the thumbs. Now underneath the thumb, let's draw a small curve down and a longer curve on the outside. And close it off at the bottom with a curve up. Now let's add another finger by curving it down and in and back up underneath the bottom here. And then on top of this one, a curve up and back down to add one more finger. And now let's color each of the gloves in black. And that's it for Twisted Bobette. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!